Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I am buzzing with positive vibes. Thank you for asking. So, we are meeting first time. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, of course. So, my name is Shubrita Pathak and I study in class 6. I'm 11 years old and my hobby is to dance.
Yeah, nice to hear you. And yeah, we are because you are a very young. So, I have a lots of question. Means because I asked to my daughter. So that question I want to ask with you also. So let's dive in the conversation.
Okay.
Okay, so if you could visit any place, so where would you go?
I would love to go to South Korea or Japan.
So why do you want to go there? Any reason?
Yeah, because of its natural beauty.
Okay, so have you ever tried Japanese food?
No, not so much. Like, never tried.
So do you ever try means sushi and ramen?
Nah, I've like never tried them. As like only eat like Maggie and normal noodles packets or like that. Or yeah, I want to, but like it's about that the studies are also increasing, and even we are not even having time, so we can't plan too much trips.
Yes, yes, it's true. Okay, so what do you makes happy?
Watching TV?
Yes, I think every kids like watching TV and watching mobile, right?
Yeah, but I don't watch mobile, but I watch television. No, no mobile. My mother
Oh,
does not allow.
okay, okay. So you also told me you like Japan and South Korea. So you also like animation movies and K-pop.
Yeah, K-pop demons I listen a little.
Yeah, actually,
I listen K-pop demons.
yes, my daughter also told me I like K-pop. So what is in actually I never watched.
It's like just they just sing songs and they have like season two and one like movies, right? So it's like quite interesting. I'm not saw the movies, but their songs are like very famous and I've even listened.
Yeah, actually, my daughter has also told me, Mama, I like that song, means K-pop song. Every time she also sing. So, but I never see, never watch. Okay, so if you found any treasure, so what would you do?
First, I will think that if it is cursed, so then I only if it is cursed, I'm just going to leave it there, and if it's not cursed, then I'm going to share it with my family and friends.
Okay, so if someone send you in the forest, so do you scared or not? And what do you do after that?
If there are no like wild animals too much around that area, so I would not be so much scared. But living alone is like little bit scary.
Yes. And if imagine if lion will come in the jungle, so what do you do? What will you do?
If you come in the jungle, so what? I'm going to just live there. Like my daily routine that I do here, I'm just going to just instead of school and dance class and tuition, I'm going to observe the jungle and all.
Yes, yeah, it's fascinating. Yeah, so imagine you get a chance to teach any children. So what subject do you want to teach?
English.
Why English?
As I'm good in speaking also, and my writing is also good, and in fact, my grammatical part is also like fine. So I can just teach English more better than other subjects.
Yes. And do you have also dream I want to become a eloquent speaker and all?
Yeah. Like first I was like thinking like I'm going to become an astronaut, and then I like a little bit when I growed up, so I was like indulge in anchoring, like public speaking and all. So like I had a confidence that I can speak. So I just then I had a dream that from in my childhood I'm just going to try to become a fluent uh, speaker.
Yeah, definitely you become actually because you are speaking very well. Okay, so what do you do when you feel sad?
When I feel sad, I just sit quiet at my room crying.
Why? So that time do you don't want to talk with anyone?
No, I don't talk to anyone. I'm just like alone with a sad face, thinking anything about it, like anything about
And
that incident.
in that situation, if your friend will call you, okay, so you can come outside, we will play. So what do you do?
I would wait for 10 minutes and then go because
Yes.
I don't need to miss my play.
Okay, so you told me after study I want to become a
Archaeologist.
archaeologist. So do you means study about that or not? Means because
Um,
nowadays subject is also there. Means history, geography,
yeah,
so
like it's the part of history only. So yeah,
yes.
matlab, I have like a little bit, matlab, not in school, but little bit at home. I have researched when I was having a 15 days of gap after my bridge classes. So that time I was even trying to flourish my English and in fact doing some little bit of archaeological research.
Okay, so ever visited museum also? So museum, if you go there, so anything fascinate about because you like that history and all. So definitely you also fascinate.
Yeah, as I've never gone to museum, I don't have any type of experience at how it. I've just seen in the films and all that there are like coffins and like in Egypt we have coffins and all. We have the Great Pyramid of Giza and like all this is an internal museum only. I just like, listened about the museums but never gone there.
Oh, okay, okay. So definitely, if you get a chance, so definitely you can never leave this chance opportunity, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. So actually, okay, you have also brother. So how do you spend your time with brother?
Like when I come from school, so like my brother is like sleeping. So I just when he wakes up for 20 to 30 minutes, or I make him go to the playground with him. I just go to the playground and play a little bit with him, or I play it at home because I have my tuitions and all.
Yes. Actually, I have a curiosity. Okay, so if in someone hurt you in the school, so what would you take a step? Means how do you solve that situation?
That time I don't do not push to hate that person. I just simply go to my teacher and just tell the complaint of it because if I'm going to hurt him, so he's going to tell to the teacher, ma'am, she also hurted me, so she's complaining for me when I hurt them, she also hurted me, and ma'am will of course not like scold him or not going to come in that matter.
Yeah, actually, same thing. I was talking to my daughter also. She also hurts very easily. So that thing I was also telling. And yeah, I mean, so do you spend time with friends? So how much time you have spent with them?
1 hour or 2 hours.
Okay, so after coming school, you get a time. Yeah, means you have also extra activity or tuition also. So
Yeah.
yeah.
I have time like when I come, so I have totally 3 to 4 hours. So at that time, like I watch TV, eat my lunch for 1 hour, and if I want to sleep, I sleep. Then I complete my tuition homework. As I have my self studies and also I don't get time at night to get it because I have to sleep earlier to wake up at 7. I have to go to the schools at 7 o'clock. So yeah, so I have to complete my work between it. And after that, I just if my brother wakes up, so I just play with him. and I would move on to my tuition.
Okay, so that's great. So you have also asked question with me if you have.
Question with you is that if your daughter does something like something when you have anger and you are less like I'm just going to thrash her. So do what do you do at that time? You calm yourself or you just like thrash her?
No, that time I calm myself and I, after calming myself, definitely I will try to convince her. And that time after that I will told why, I will ask why are you doing, what is happening, any problem. So yeah, I will not stress, but yeah, definitely I will sit and I will calm her and I try to solve the problem.
So if you are in a very high temper, so then what you will do? Like have you ever thrashed your like daughter or never? Only scoldings.
Actually, I never thrashed her ever. And yeah, means that time, as a mother, it's happened. That time I scold her. It means if she will not listen, then after that, if she will listen, so definitely I will not say anything. But yeah, if she was not agree to listen to me, so that time, yeah, definitely I will little bit scold her because it's as a human being, means as a mother, it's happened to us.
Okay. So like you are a very like peaceful and calm person. But if I talk about my mother, like she scolds me a little, like a lot. But she only thrashed me when I was small or when I was 5 or 6 years old. But after that, she never like thrashed me so badly.
Yeah, actually, I was one time I also slapped my daughter. So that time I was also crying. Why would I do for her? But after that, I never hurt her.
Okay. So like is your daughter like sensitive or she is like me or she loves to watch TV? What does she like the most?
Yeah, definitely. She is also do doom scrolling. She likes to watch mobile. So that time also I am also furious because it is not good for her eyes and health also because she is she is very young. So that's why I told her don't watch enough mobile.
Okay. So like if you get a chance, you have an like with the help of your YouTube channel, you have an like chance to go to US or some out of place for India. But it's a
Hello,
situation. Yeah. Hello.
could you repeat again?
Yeah, of course I can repeat it. Like if you through your YouTube channel, if you go like if you get a chance to go to out of India, if you go get a chance to go out of India, so and with your daughter, alone with your daughter, so will you go and do that internship or like that?
Yeah, definitely. I will go with her, and yeah, means I will go Mauritius, and because my daughter also like beach, so definitely I choose beaches, and if I get any chance, so definitely I will travel. I never miss the boat.
Oh, that's very like interesting. So like, what do you think that what are the like we know that the symptoms of a good speaker?
Okay, for good speaker, I means I have learned you are fluent and you have much knowledge about anything, and you don't have any kind of hesitation to give the answer. And definitely, confidence is always matter. If you are confident and you are making mistakes, so people will never judge you. People will see you're confident, and yeah, that thing
Yeah,
it is very important.
like the confident covers the mistakes. So like
Yes.
easily, like if you do the mistakes, like being confident is something that we need for everything, even for dance. If we say for singing, do we do anything? So we need like confidence with us.
Yes, definitely. Confidence always matters. If you learn any skill, yeah, if you want to do anything, any profession you can choose. So definitely, if you are confident, so anywhere you can live and you can survive easily.
Okay. So, do you have any other questions for me?
No, actually, time is also going on, so we have to wrap up the session. And definitely, I enjoy a lot. And thank you for your giving your time. And if I get chance, so definitely I will again connect with you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.